Today, I am going to show you exactly how to create a course on Gumroad. Creating an online course can be a powerful way to share your knowledge and skills with others, whether you're an expert in graphic design, coding, or any other field. Gumroad offers a straightforward platform that simplifies the process of launching your course and reaching an eager audience. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by the idea of getting started, don't worry. We're here to guide you through each step, making it all feel manageable and clear. Let's begin by setting the stage. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Gumroad website. You can do this by typing gumroad.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the home page has loaded, you will see the login option located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on this, and it will take you to the login page. Here, you have the option to sign in using your Google account. Simply click on the recognizable Google icon and select the account you wish to use for creating your course. It's as simple as that. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard where you'll find the Products tab. Clicking on this will transport you to a dedicated section for managing all your digital offerings. Here, you'll want to look for the New Product button. Clicking on it will open a new window, providing you with options to choose the type of product you wish to create. In this scenario, select Course or Tutorial, which is designed specifically for educational content. Now comes one of the most creative parts, naming your course. Choose a name that is not only catchy, but also clearly conveys the essence of what your course is about. Think about what would intrigue potential learners and succinctly communicate the value they'll gain. After deciding on a compelling name, you'll need to select the currency. Pick the one that aligns with your audience's location, and then set a price for your course. It's important to strike a balance between the value of the content you're offering and how accessible you want it to be to prospective buyers. With your pricing set, click on Next to move on to the customization phase. Here, you can add a comprehensive description of your course. This is your chance to provide potential buyers with a vivid picture of what they will learn and why they should enroll. A well-crafted description that includes key takeaways and any necessary prerequisites can serve as a powerful hook to draw in students. Visuals play a crucial role in setting the tone for your course. Click on Upload Images or Videos to add a cover that will represent your course. Don't forget to include a thumbnail that captures the uniqueness of your content. First impressions are often based on visuals, so make sure yours are top-notch. Consider crafting a summary that encapsulates the strengths and objectives of your course. You will also want to click on Add Detail to input any additional information that might be beneficial to your buyers. This section is often what convinces someone to make a purchase, so don't overlook its importance. Finally, click on Save and Continue. This will take you to the Content Entry page, where you can either import or type in the course materials you've prepared. Double-check everything to ensure it looks just as you envisioned. Once confident, hit Publish and Continue, and voila, your course is live on Gumroad. For individuals looking to share their expertise or unique insights, Gumroad serves as a robust platform capable of reaching a wider audience. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for success in your course selling journey. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to create a course on Gumroad. Don't forget to subscribe to KMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.